Alright, now you say this is just the right length back there?
Yes. Hey, hey, I go to get Sue. I go to get Sue. Oh no. Steve, you might have to come home. Oh, boo 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 boo. We need to save some of that beautiful hair.
Here, let's get the part that we really, really want gone.
Right.
Oh, this is a nice.
Baby. Hi, baby. Hi.
Oh, it's a good boy.
I got. Hold on. Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Okay, well, baby, you have to do it now.
Give me that little.
Go fast.
I might have pulled a little.
You're so pretty.
We gotta get this. This is the Hoosier part. It's okay. Come on. Oh, come on. All right.
Yay! What a good boy.
Let's see. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh, pretty boy. Here, what do we got? You want to play with Mama's lighter? Huh? No? Okay. All right. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness.
Okay, what can I do to help, Mom? Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. What a memory.
He wasn't going to be like, thank you. May I have another?
See, if I wouldn't have to comb it out, I think we could get that. Ooh.
You've got enough saved hair. Where's the pumpkin at? Come here, pumpkin. Pumpkin. Come here, pumpkin. Come here, pumpkin. Yeah. Come here, pumpkin. Good girl. Pumpkin. Okay, you're missing this one.
Okay. I got it?
Yep.
I gotta kind of comb down just to see what we did.
Where's Pumpkin? Where's Pumpkin? Come here, Pumpkin. Come here. Come here, Pumpkin. Oh, Pumpkin, good girl. Good girl, Pumpkin. Good girl. Come here, Pumpkin. Come here. Come here, Pumpkin. Come here. Alex, did you take a picture?
No.
Why aren't you taking pictures, Alex?
Because I don't want to
Now.
Now. Take a picture now.
Okay, tell me when.
Now.
Do it now.
Now.
Come here, Pumpkin. Come here, baby. Pumpkin. Come here, Pumpkin.
I left the length in the bottom.
Yeah.
That's this right
Here's your piece.
here. Wow.
Here we go. Come here, Pumpkin. Where's Pumpkin? Come here, Pumpkin. Come here. This is what I was worried about right there. Come here, Pumpkin.
Yeah.
I think it's good.
Now let's just pull the other side out to get the same texture down here.
He didn't have that on that other side.
Look at-
Pumpkin.
telling a professional how to cut hair.
Well, yeah, I see what you're talking
Oops.
about. Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
Come from?
Come here, Pumpkin. Come here, good girl, Pumpkin. You did a baby, Pumpkin. Come here, Pumpkin.
He got his hand in their mouth.
Pumpkin. Come here, Pumpkin. Come here, baby girl. Come here, Pumpkin. Yeah. There we go. Looks good. Looks real good. What do you think, Daddy?
Yeah.
There, this chrome coats that cradle cap right off.
We'll have to remember that.
I only got 5 pictures.
Only 5.
Yeah. And 2 of them I swear
Good
I
part,
messed
Matt.
up on.
Don't want to make him too mad, you know. This is just the first of many. We just wanted to get it so he looked more like a little boy.
That's the comb to use.
Oh yeah, right off.
You did a good job, Mama. You did a really good job.
My screen's just red now.
Okay, you're fine. You're done.
Let's see. Yeah, they'll all come off at this comb. This part isn't real straight.
The cradle kept flying at me.
Mm-hmm. That's the way to end it right there. Get him a full head of hair. Thing he'll cherish for many years until he's older. Then when he hits his 30s, he's gonna say, "Where's my hairline?"
All right, we'll let Mom hold him, and I'll get a picture of him and Mom. I think that you're okay, Mama.
Ooh, okay.